Right, dessert. Now, this is my favourite dessert, chocolate fondant. Right. Eggs and sugar, yeah? Whisked up. That's nice and firm. It gives a really nice texture to fondant chocolate. This is the best quality chocolate, OK? The better the chocolate, OK, the better the fondant.
Yes, chef.
Now,
Yes,
from there, OK, just make sure it all melts down nicely. Yes?
Yes, chef.
In.
Yes,
To the eggs. Yeah? Now,
Yes, chef.
once that's in, we start whisking. All the chocolates evenly distributed across. Flour has been sieved.
Yes,
Yeah?
chef.
Now, you don't throw it all in there. 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3, OK?
Yes,
And what
chef.
happens now, it starts to thicken up, OK? But you don't knock all the air out of it, you just fold it in.
Yes, chef. Yes,
The important part is keeping it really nice and liquid in the centre,
Yes.
OK? Now, if they come out undercooked, they'll collapse.
Okay.
If they come out overcooked, they'll be dry. So keep them nice and wet. Moulds, they've been buttered, yes?
Yes,
OK,
chef.
they've been buttered and dusted in cocoa powder,
Yes,
that's right. Yeah? OK, 3/4 full all the way up. Yeah?
3/4, chef.
That's right, because it rises. Off and in. Try and get that in one, OK? Right, let's go, ladies, yeah? Let's go.
One of your whisks is free. Yeah.
Chocolate on to melt, quickly, let's go. Moulds already done. Yeah. Now, make sure you've got no water in there, OK?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you put water into chocolate, yeah, it makes it get all grainy and it sort of seizes up, yeah?
Yes, chef.
OK. So work it, OK?
Yes,
Yeah?
chef.
You got big biceps, work it. Ladies, make sure you always put an extra one in there. We don't want the customers to find out that they're overcooked. That's your job. Yes?
Yes, chef.
So that's why we put an extra one in there, OK? So when they come out, you can taste them. And if it's perfect, they'll be talking about it for years, yes? Right, wait, let's just check the first one. Annette?
Yes, chef.
Out into your cloth. OK? And then onto your tray. OK? I want you to test one first, yeah?
Yes, chef.
Yeah, and tell me if you're happy with it. Lovely. Taste it. Yeah?
I'm so scared.
Right. That looks fantastic.
Yes,
Now,
chef.
we're going to serve these with the most delicious vanilla bean ice cream, yeah? Ice and sugar, up. OK, don't worry if it goes over the side of the plate. Just tap, tap. Tap, tap. Yeah,
Yes, chef.
nicely. Let's go. Gently, let's go. Careful, careful. Have you done the tester?
Sorry. Yes, chef.
You've tasted it?
Yes, chef.
You happy with it?
Yes, chef.
Good. Let's go. Come on the plate. Let's go. Plates out. Gently, gently, gently. Don't lose it now, please, yeah? Let's go.
One of those. Dip it into
Sam,
the
how many
tea
she
towel.
said?
Yeah, let's go. They look fantastic, and we're moving our arse. Let's go. Yeah. Ladies, I don't know what's happened, but all of a sudden you're all working fast. Huh?
Yes, chef.
Why didn't we do this earlier? 5 and 14, second time, yes? You're making the waiters look slow. Go. 5 and 14. Turn.
Just open it.
Slide them down so put the ice cream on there, please. Let me show you.
There's behind you.
No, you do the last one. Let's go. Huh? Let's go.
I thought dessert was fabulous. I loved the combination of the warm chocolate combined with the vanilla ice cream. So the warm and the cold combined was really, really great.
I love the way it fell away as you're eating it. It was really nice taste as well, so excellent.
OK, John Baptiste, please.
Right. Got it.
How'd it go?
Okay, very good.
Very good. Well,
Very,
obviously,
very good.
You know, it was an amazing dessert.
Yeah, 46 people.
46?
Yeah, paying for that.
Paying, yeah, it's fucking
Out of
great
50.
news.
So we got
Yes.
4 non-pair. Absolutely stunning.
That's good. That's very good. Yes? 46, well done.
Thank you.
Yeah? OK, let's talk about the figures overall, OK? So 2 for starter, 24 for main, and 4 for pudding. That's 30 plates out of 150 not paid for. Yeah?
Yeah.
But the good news is 120 plates were paid for, and that is quite impressive. You know that?
Yeah.
That is
Yeah.
very impressive. Sadly, you're not coming back next week.
Yeah.
But when you do go back to those farmyards, you can hold your fucking heads up high, yes?
Thank you.
Yeah, you did very well. Now, farmers' daughters,
Yes.
yeah, you all enjoy a drink in the bar.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Well done. Well done, well done, well done.
Thank you.